I'm just doing a quick little video outlining the Coleman Maddog ATV seat cover that can be purchased for approximately $20 on Amazon. I've got a older Kawasaki Super Sherpa 250 dual sport. Let me pick my tripod up just so you can see overall view of the bike. And I picked this thing up very inexpensively from a neighbor. Been sitting a long time, needed a lot of stuff. One of the things I did to it was recover the factory seat, different color than the stock seat cover. It was kind of a dark brown. This is like a light gray. It's just a cheap one I ordered off eBay from like Thailand for, that was like $35. Not a bad little seat cover. It definitely improved the look of the bike. But after riding around on this thing, I realized it's not very comfortable. So this is intended for ATVs, four-wheelers. So it, I think, is made to fit more so just completely on top without folding over the sides like this one does. And so the straps that come with it comes with a set of 3 straps, mounts there, and there. And they wrap under the seat and hold it, the seat cover, seat pad, to the seat. This is a little bit different on this bike with having side covers that go under there and just not really lining up where it needs to. So I did some modifications on it to make it work, and this is something that you might apply to your own bike. So basically, I've got it attached to the buckles that are attached to the frame of the bike. I've got one that's actually wrapped around the subframe, just behind the gas tank right there. And then this is one of the foot peg mounting brackets for the passenger foot peg. Just got a grommet, metal grommet from the hardware store and put that through the metal strap and made a buckle there. So basically, if I take these things off, so the back one is actually attached to the little hooks on the rear rack. So once that is loose, you got to kind of fish it out of there. This whole seat cover comes off, and there is the stock seat. So as you can see, there's the logo, Maddog, and yeah, not a bad looking seat cover. But as you can see, I've got my buckle that remains there, the other one that remains there, and so all you got to do, this will make it easy to get the seat off and on. So all you have to do is, probably should have put the back ones on first. Get those little hooks in there, and the other one in there. As you can see, I have not practiced this. Only about the second time I've put this thing on there like that, because I went and rode around on it earlier to try it out. I noticed that after I started riding this bike, I haven't had it that long, the seat's not very comfortable. It's too soft. I'm a big guy, as you can probably see if I come into the frame of the camera, and just wasn't very supportive. So I figured, hey, this will firm it up a little bit, add a little bit of height. I'm tall, gives me just a touch more leg room. Not too bad for 20 bucks. It's not as good as, let's say, like a Seat Concepts foam and cover kit, but I'm not spending $200 on a seat on this bike. It's maybe not going to be something I keep for a long time. I don't know. But anywho, for 20 bucks, and then a few extra bucks of things that I went and bought at the hardware store, which I'll use for other things in the future. Those grommet kits are really, really handy to have for other things. So I'm not at all disappointed with the quality of this thing and what it does. So there you go. Thanks for watching.